New Jersey until 11 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Shark River Reef, moving north at 45 knots.
Dude, why is there so many?
Wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail.
What the heck?
Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seacourt Reef, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Atlantic Highlands, Manasquan Inlet, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Axel Carlson Reef, Sandy Hook Reef, Lavalette, and Fairhaven. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Bro, like, what the heck? This is insane, dude.
Strong thunderstorms over the waters.
Holy.
The areas affected include
Sandy
Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, down 40 nautical miles, Long Island South Shore Base at 9:53.